Hi everyone, welcome to HowFixIT. In this video guide, I'm going to show you how to replace the fan in the Xbox Series X. To disassemble Xbox Series X, you will need the following tools: Torx T8 screwdriver, anti-static tweezers, plastic opening tools. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your Xbox. Thanks to the magnetic base, the screws stay on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. Also in the description, you can find a link to a video where I show you how to repair a water-damaged Xbox controller. I hope your gamepad is okay, but if that happens, you will know what to do in that case. Let's begin disassembling the Xbox. Turn over the game console and remove the two stickers on the back panel. Below these stickers are two screws that hold the back cover. Using a plastic tool, pry up the back cover at the bottom of the game console housing. Use a Torx T8 screwdriver to remove the three screws securing the fan. Remove the fan by lifting it up. If the fan stops working or makes a lot of noise, then you need to replace it. You can buy a new, compatible fan for the Xbox Series X using this part number. Also in the description, I left a link where to buy a new fan for the Xbox Series X. That's all. Xbox Series X is assembled and ready to use. I really appreciate you watching my video guide. If you have any questions, please leave them below. You are on HowFixIT, and see you guys next time.